Hey guys! Over the next 2 days, your children are going to be taking a test that we call the Critical Standards Assessment. What this test is going to do is it's going to look at some of the critical standards or the most important standards for second grade, and it's going to test what do your kids already know and what do we still need to work on. Okay, so our traditional learners took this test today, but your kiddos are going to take it tomorrow and Wednesday. Okay, so in just a little bit, I am going to be emailing you a sheet that looks like this, okay, and it has step-by-step instructions on what you guys are going to be doing online to get ready for the test. Now, what you're also going to have in your email is a link, okay? You're going to click on a link and it's going to take you to a login page, just like it has with most of our websites that we've gone to so far. But on your page, you should see the site ID, which will log you into Auburn Early Education Center, and then you'll have one for your child, and then you'll also have a test code. So it's kind of a lot of instructions, but I'm going to send you a tutorial as well to let you kind of see my screen as I'm going through it. So the big things that I need to emphasize for this test are, just like all the tests that we're going to be taking over the next couple of weeks, it is so very important that you do not help your child take this test. I know it is so hard as a parent to watch your child not know something and not want to swoop in and fix it for them and help them figure it out. But for these tests over the next few weeks, it's going to be very important that I know what they can do independently, because that's the only way that I'm going to be able to help and to help them grow, is to know what they can do independently without help from an adult. Now, is it okay for you to help them log on? Absolutely. I told them some of the questions on the test are a little bit tricky as far as like what are they supposed to be doing. So there might be a picture of an object and you have to choose the word that's spelt correctly, so that if they don't understand that kind of thing, then you can say, okay, which word is how that picture is spelled. But you don't want to help show them the exact answers. Okay? Also, kiddos, this part is for you. Don't ask your parents for help, okay? Because they're going to want to help you. And if you ask them for help and you use your puppy dog eyes, they might help you. And we don't need that to happen, right? Miss Gates wants to see what you know. And here's a secret. Some of these questions are stuff you're supposed to know at the end of second grade. So if you don't know them now, don't worry. Don't be sad. It's okay. All right. So we're just going to do our best. We're going to choose the answer that we think is the best possible answer, and then we're going to move on to the next one. All right. So we're going to be taking the reading test on Tuesday and the math section on Wednesday. This is going to be happening during your reading group time tomorrow and your math group time on Wednesday. So we will not be meeting at all for reading groups tomorrow, okay? Unless you're in group 6. If you're in group 6, you will be meeting on Tuesday. But everybody else in that 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock hour, we are not meeting because Miss Gates is going to be on WebEx. So if you log in and you're trying to log into this test and it doesn't work, get onto WebEx and I'm going to be there to try to troubleshoot and help you. Okay, so Tuesday, everyone is taking the English language arts portion during our reading small group time. On Wednesday, everyone is taking the math section, and we will not be having math small groups because we'll do the same thing for that, okay? Our goal is to have everybody taking both parts by the end of the day on Wednesday, all right? So I'm also going to be attaching, like I said, to the email, I'm also going to be attaching a tutorial. So if you want to watch my screen as I'm logging in, you can do that as well. If you have any questions, log into WebEx at 11 o'clock, or you can shoot me an email or a text and I can try to help you that way. All right. Bye.